Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can recover your Discord account. So before getting started, make sure that you've already updated your application to the latest version, and also make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So then open up your Discord application, and once you open up your application, you'll be taken to sign up or login interface. So click on login in, which is right at the bottom, and then you'll be taken to sign in interface. Now on this page, you'll need to provide your account information. That includes entering your email or the phone number associated with your Discord account. Since you don't remember your password, so click on forgot your password, which is right at the bottom. So then a notification has been sent to an email. So as you can see that I've received an email. Now click on this email, and here you have a link to reset your password. So click on reset password, and now you can change your password. So you can create a new one, and as you can see that the password has been changed, and click on continue to Discord, and now click on login, which is right at the bottom. Enter in your account information, that is your email address first of all, or your phone number, and then the password that you recently created. And once you're done entering your account information, click on login, which is right at the bottom. In this way you can recover your Discord account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.